Hi guys, I thought I'd make an alcohol lamp because I do need it on some of the projects. So I got this jar, and of course I emptied all that out and cleaned it up, so I've got another jar doing that. So I've cleaned all this out. What I'm going to do is put a hole in there and put a wick in there. This is the thing that I found that I had. It's quite small. I cut it up into a small piece there, put a wick through it, and I have wet the wick for well over an hour. But I bought the wick on eBay, by the way. So I'm just going to do the hole, put it in there, see how it goes. Simple. It's a simple lamp indeed. So the hole's been made. Quite simple, because this looks like it's aluminium. And I made a couple of holes here for breathing. And I'll put that in there. I'm going to araldite this together. I think I need to araldite it to just hold it on together there. That's what I'm going to do. So here is the bottle that I'm going to use, and I've put 2 holes in there, and this is the methylated spirit. Methylated spirit, which I'm going to use for the lamp. And let's fire it up. I made a smaller one, a bit lower down. See if that works. One of the reasons I made the lamp is because I had a problem down here placing a candle and everything else. I needed a bit more heat, but this one's just slightly bigger than I expected, so that's why I made this one, which will just fit under there nicely. So let's see if this works. Like, subscribe, thumbs up. Working nicely. A lot easier than the candles. Thank you for watching.